Americans are venturing out again, running to work and play. Yet the threat of COVID-19 is still very real. In fact, as people interact more and social distance less, being vigilant about sanitation is critical. But don't worry, the Worx has you covered. The Worx disinfection service provides powerful protection from the dangers of the coronavirus and other types of viruses and bacteria. Our technicians can thoroughly disinfect your interior spaces to dramatically reduce or eliminate the chance of contracting COVID-19. The Worx is ideal for just about every indoor space, a broad-spectrum disinfection misting service. The Worx quickly but thoroughly disinfects large areas, including surfaces and inaccessible areas. Once you've booked your appointment, minimal but important prep work's required before we can get to work. Remove objects that can be damaged by moisture in all food and drink. Cover electronics and clean all dirty surfaces. Keep pets out of the service area, including covering fish tanks and turning off the pump. Now you're ready. The Worx technicians apply the disinfectant, wiping down hard surfaces and misting walls, floors, structures, and equipment. Remain away from treatment areas for 2 hours after the application process is complete. Now your Worx clean. Residential customers can enjoy peace of mind knowing their home is safe. Businesses are awarded a completion certificate letting your staff and everyone else know you've been disinfected. Ready to have peace of mind knowing you have the cleanest and safest environment possible? Contact the Worx for an appointment or a quote now.